Welcome guys. So in this video, I'll be doing a review on Triaba survey. Okay, so I'll be showing you about the platform and how to get started. So first of all, come over to their website here. Okay, first thing you should do is tap on this other country and select your country here. It's very important to select your country. Okay, so after selecting your country, let me select my country here. Okay, so I'm making this video from Nigeria. Okay, tap on Nigeria. Okay, so the amount they pay each country differs. Okay, so in my country they pay close to $3.25 per service. Okay, so if I switch to another country, okay, let me tap on Australia. Okay, they pay close to $5.95. Okay, just select your country. Okay, so if you are from a country, okay, that they pay more, lucky you. Okay, so there's one to pay surveys in Nigeria and help to. Okay, so this is like a marketing research surveys. Okay, so join tribal consumer panel and aim on balancing pay survey on consumption trends in Nigeria, that's in my country here. Okay, so it's very simple. They see join tribal today and earn up to $3.25 per survey you take. And in order for you to withdraw, okay, you can see you can choose a order of gift card from G code or a virtual Visa debit card for your money, okay, to withdraw your money. Okay, and you only need minimum of $10 to withdraw. In some countries they offer other payout method like PayPal and the rest. Okay, so basically in Nigeria you can receive virtual debit card that you can use to purchase anything anywhere. You can link it to your PayPal to make payment. Okay, so before I proceed telling you that thing, okay, if this is your first time on my channel, okay, so you should have subscribed to the channel here. Like click the red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop a video. You should be subscribed. You should not see any red button here. You should be subscribed. Okay, and you can check my videos for make money online content. I post content how to make money online. Okay, so I post content 3 times every week. Okay, so don't miss out. So anytime I put a video, you'll be the first people to get notified. Okay, and please don't forget to like and comment the country you're watching the video from so I can keep posting content available in your country. So if you come over to Trustpilot here, okay, so if you see Trustpilot is a reputable platform to check reviews of website. Okay, so if you see reviews, they have 3,666 reviews with over 56% like people viewing them excellent as 100%. Okay, so if I tap on recent reviews, okay, you see 4 hours ago from South Africa, first, a very good service. Okay, I enjoyed it. From Australia, very good. From India, very good. 2 days ago, 3 days ago. That's why people are dropping reviews recently to show that this platform is actually good and people are enjoying it. Okay, so you can check it out yourself. Okay, you're not losing anything. This is an opportunity for you to make money just by taking surveys. Okay, very easy. So let's proceed to how to register an account. So you see this join, tap on the join and you boot over to this page. Make sure you select your country, that your country is showing something like this. Okay, so if you are from India, to write sign up portal tribal India. Okay, so for Nigeria here, okay, you see it, I will get paid from this just by taking surveys. I will get paid ready for this taking surveys. Okay, so imagine and the minimum payout is $10. Imagine taking 10 surveys a day, you have passed the minimum payout and you get paid instantly. Okay, so it's very easy. Click on the join now, and when you scroll down you see login and sign up. So when you tap on the sign up part here, you see place for your gender, your email address, your password, okay, date of birth. Okay, so and you agree to terms and conditions. When you register, they'll send you a verification email. Okay, you have to verify your email, but that's very simple for you to do. So let's log into the account. Okay, I created the account just now. Okay, just to show you how this is done. Okay, so let's log into the account and let's see. So I tap on login, it should log me in now. Okay, let's see, it should log me in now. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Why is this taking much time? Okay, I've logged me on. Okay, so you see something like profile here. Okay, you see something like here. Okay, I agree to partake. You see, okay, just have to accept all this thing. You have to agree everything. Okay, I agree, I agree, I agree, I agree. Okay, and update. Okay, so you have to agree to everything. So now on your profile you have to fill in many questions, okay, so they can sort out the surveys best for you. So in your household they have 19 questions to answer, 15 questions electronics, healthcare, okay. So you have to answer all these questions, okay, so they can bring surveys like that are like in line with your profile, okay. So maybe in your occupation, okay, maybe your occupation you are in tech related, so they can bring in survey related to tech, okay. So they won't be bringing um um surveys related to education for someone in tech, so it doesn't tally, okay.